Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a close-up of the new Kong from the new Kong animated series. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, to start off with Kong from the new Kong animated series, let's begin by drawing the eyes. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to begin by making a little curved shape here. And then I'm going to make another one that just goes down and up here. Now, I'm going to leave some space, and I'm going to do the same thing. So I'll make a little curved shape here. And then a little curved shape right here for the eyes. Kind of like two lemon shapes. Next, I'm going to make a little curve, kind of circle shape at the bottom of each one. And then I'm going to put a black dot inside of each one. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come in and then back out. And then same thing here. I'm going to go in and then back out. Next, I'm going to bring this up to here with like a curve, and then same thing here, up to here with a curve. Then I'm going to bring this down, over, and then up. Same thing here, we're going to go down, over, and then up. Next, I'm going to bring this up and in, and same thing here, we're going to go up and then in. We're going to make a little line right around the top of each eye. And then I'm going to make a little curved line right here. Next, we're going to draw two lines that come down at an angle. And then I'll put two inside of here. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up, and then it's going to come down and in. Same thing here, it's going to come up, it's going to go down, and then in for the nose. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down, it's going to come to a point, and then up. We're going to go up, down, and in. We're going to go up, down, and in. We're going to make a little line on each side. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to come out and then down. So we're just going to go out and then down here. Next, I'll make a line that's going to go down and then out like this. We're just going to come down and then out like that. Next, I'm going to draw a line across here and a little line above it. Then I'm going to make lines going to come down here on each side. And then we're just going to come in and then across here. I'm going to make a curved line on each side for the fangs. And then I'll make a little line across here for the teeth. And I'll put a couple little lines up. Next, I'm just going to make a few little curved line shapes right around here. Then I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to curve up for the fangs on each side. Then I'm just going to make a line across. We'll do a few lines down. And then a couple little lines across. I'm going to make a line up here, and then a line up here for some more teeth. And then we'll just curve a couple lines across. I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up. We're going to curve it over and then come down for the tongue. And then I'll make a little line down. For the back of the mouth, I'm going to curve a line that comes up on each side, leaving a little space in the middle. And then we'll put a little bump right here. Then I'll draw a couple little lines right inside of here. I'm going to draw a line up here on each side. And then I'm going to bring this line down here. Next, starting here, I'm going to curve this line down on each side. Then I'm going to bring a line that's going to come up. It's going to go over and then down. I'll just bring this in. Now, starting here, I'm going to go out and in on each side, kind of shape out the sides of the face. I want to make a pointed line here and then one here. Pointed line and then pointed line. I'll make another one here and another one here. Then we'll bring down here and then to here. So we're going to go down, make a pointed line come up. Then we're just going to go down and in. Next, I'm going to bring this line up on each side. And then right here, I'm going to come out and then down. Same thing here. I'm going to go out and then come down. Bring this line out and in. And I'm going to come out. And we're going to make some points here. Same thing here. Out and in. We're going to go out. And I'm just going to make some points. Next, I'm going to bring these lines up and kind of in a little bit. I want to bring them in, and I'm going to put some points on here and then connect it. Right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to curve around, and then it's going to come down. And same thing here, we're going to curve it around and come down. A little curve on each side for the inside of the ear. And then we're going to bring this down. Then I'm going to bring this line all the way to the bottom on each side. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to come up, over, and down. Up, over, and down. Make a line that's going to come down with a couple points. And same thing here, we're going to come down with a couple points. Make a little diagonal line that comes in like this. And then we're going to make a couple little pointed lines that are just going to come right through here, just to make it look like there's some more fur. Make a few little lines here. And a couple more here. I'm going to draw a couple little lines right around the eye. I'm going to make it a little bit darker right around the top of the eye too. And there you go. There is your drawing of the face of the new Kong from the new Kong animated series. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.